Okay, before I start this YouTube video, I wanted to mention how I'm really thankful for all you guys reaching out to me. All the comments and likes and everything. I've been growing really fast. I can't wait to see what happens in the future. But anyways, I wanted to announce that I'll be putting it in my description. I opened a website. All the programs you can buy, all of my teachings, phone calls, everything. Really like it if you guys check that out in my description link. And if anything, let me know what you think of it. And I had so much fun making this video. Like, this is definitely the most fun video, and I actually kept rewatching it because I really like the content that I made today. So I hope you feel the same, and let's get to the video. Welcome back to another video. I literally just woke up right now, and I weigh myself every single morning at the exact same time. Today I'm at 150.4. Today I have like a slightly busy morning, so that's good because I get to fast before my first meal. So I'm just going to be having some black coffee and then get some work done. And that's the first thing that I'll be doing this morning. But for the entire day, I'll be showing you guys my meals, cooking and everything. I'll be showing you the macros for each meal. But anyways, I'll get to whenever I'm making my first meal. Alright, I've got some black coffee here, 12 ounces of it. But I'm just going to be drinking this into my first meal. But anyways, I'll get to you guys whenever I'm making my first meal. Alright, I'm on the way to go get some work done. I did make some creatine. It's flavored, the CBUM one. It's about like 7.5 grams. I didn't get too much sleep last night, so maybe that can help out a little bit. I'm not sure, but it also just adds to my daily creatine value. I'm not sure what time I'm going to get back, but I'm gonna hit up the store and show a little grocery haul. I just got back from the store. Bryce, we're about to head to the gym and eat. And then here's what I got from the grocery. Protein bread with a lot of fiber in it, rice cakes, skim milk, some pickles. You like pickles, Bryce? No? They're so low calorie, that's why I eat them. Shirataki noodles, some pink salmon, sweet potato. I'm gonna show you the meal whenever I make it. So I finished making my food. It's actually pretty interesting today. We have 2 rice cakes, a packet of oatmeal, a little bit of strawberries, whey drip, and Greek yogurt. And then Bryce ate some oatmeal as well. And then I'm drinking my pre-workout right now, and then we're gonna head to the gym, get some nice clips, and then come home and eat. And then we're gonna go film some more stuff. I'm not sure yet what we're gonna do. I'm definitely gonna get some Instagram pictures. But anyways, I'll see you at the gym. Me and Bryce are on the way to Anytime Fitness right now. It's a private gym, so there's not going to be that many people. I shouldn't be worried about getting clips and stuff there. At Planet Fitness, I'm so uncomfortable filming. And even at my own gym, I feel like people are looking at me, judging me. I feel like they're going to come up to me and tell me to stop. But here, it should be all good. I don't think they care if you record, right, Bryce? We had our shirts off like the entire time, and the manager was there, right?
Yeah.
So, should all be good. But I'll see you during the workout.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Hope is not a dream, but a way of making dreams become reality.
Oh yeah.
That's 230 a man right here.
More people pulling up.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Hope is not a dream, but a way of making dreams become reality.
So here we got the body fat testing machine. We're about to test our body fat. He's scared. He wants to be sub 10% body fat so bad.
Bro, I came here the first time, it was 6.9. And the next time I came, it was like freaking 10, dude. That's not real, bro. I'm 6%, bro.
Gotta take the freaking clothes off. Alright, we gotta put in our email address so we can track our stuff.
Oh, his clothes are off.
Bro, you have to for it to be accurate.
You're not supposed to put the arms.
You know, you're supposed to hold it to your sides, you dipshit.
No, you're supposed to go like this.
Not that much.
3.5%.
It could either be off.
There's no way. 9.5% body fat. Let's see what Bryce is.
That's game, baby.
What? My legs?
Dude, it's like you have a giant muscle there. There's like look at it. It literally looks like you broke your knee there. Look.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, like have you ever seen like a knee dislocation?
Okay, Bryce's came out to 11. Mine came out to 9.5. You don't believe you're 11?
Nah, bro.
It's just your legs. I guarantee that's all it is.
I know, dude. My legs are freaking peeled.
I'm talking about him.
Bro, we
We got Lucas stepping on me now. I need to put on my clothes, dude. I just keep forgetting, dude.
why is my clothes so long? Your fatness and your legs too, right?
It came out to 23%, buddy.
Go scroll down. Go
So
scroll
I
down.
think it's a little bit higher.
It should be printing. Look,
Last time I checked it, it was like 10.5. Now it's 9.5. I'd say I'm closer to like 10 flat, low 10s.
I just have.
But
fat.
anyways, that was pretty fun. Dude, I'm telling you, just look up debulk methods on TikTok. Just potassium. Potassium is what flushes water out.
Methamphetamine.
Sodium is what holds water. Potassium is what balances it
Are you
out.
still recording?
I'm just trying to get more clips.
How
of
much
these.
storage do you have on it?
I got it.
Basically, but you can either break like that, but if you're grabbing me, like grab my shirt. Like grab my shirt, right? I'll go like this.
Oh shit, that hurt. Fuck.
You see how, but like if you do it.
Alright, so I just finished making my meal and I'll show you exactly what I made. Alright, so right here we have 2 whole eggs, we have 2 cans of tuna, 1 can of salmon for the good fats, some sugar-free barbecue sauce on top, 235 grams of sweet potatoes with cinnamon and sugar-free syrup on top, mixed veggies, about 170 grams, and then 140 grams of mixed fruit, and then we have 4 pieces of fiber, low-calorie toast with 2 servings of cottage cheese, 2%. And then lastly here we have a Ninja Creamy pistachio flavored 2% whole milk. And I'm going to show the macros somewhere on the screen here. And this is meal number 2 at 6:15, super late. So I'm about to be full of this for, I might not even be able to eat tonight, but I'm going to try. Anyways, I'll get to you the next meal. For my last meal, I have a strawberry roll creamy from Rise. I use that protein. And then I have a chocolate Ninja Creamy. I'm going to put the macros up on the screen somewhere, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the supplements I take real quick. Alright, to end out the video, I have my supplements here in my hand. It's a mouthful, I usually just take them all, swallow them. What we have here is magnesium glycinate, a multivitamin, a fish oil, 5-HTP, L-theanine, NAC, ashwagandha, magnesium oxide, and I'm just going to take this all right now, and I take it before bed because all of them work synergistically before you go to bed to give you some really good sleep. And then for even better sleep tonight, I took some of this Ghost Sleep. It's really stacked. I got it on sale, so I've just been taking that sometimes when I need it. I'm trying to have some really good sleep tonight, but anyways, that is my sleep stack that I take. I'm going to finish up that meal, head right to bed. I'm going to put my daily total macros somewhere here on the screen. And I plan on cutting for about 3 more weeks. I'm in a really small deficit, so it's so easy for me. But anyways, I ended the day with about 10,000 steps. I hit a lift, and I was just active all day pretty much. That amount of calories, I should be like a 200 to 500 deficit, varies so much. So thank you guys for watching the video. I had fun making this video, probably the funnest video I've had so far. And make sure to like and make sure you guys subscribe as well. And DM me if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.